40 jobs and occupations in English.
Tailor, a person who sews and repairs clothes. Butcher, a person who cuts and sells meat. Carpenter, a person who makes things from wood. Banker, a person who works in a bank.
Businessman, a person who runs or manages a business. Taxi driver, a person who drives people to places. Reporter, a person who tells news on TV or in newspapers.
Librarian, a person who works in a library.
Artist, a person who paints or draws. Fisherman, a person who catches fish. Photographer, a person who takes pictures. Scientists, a person who studies and learns about science. Postman, a person who delivers letters and parcels. Plumber, a person who fixes pipes and water systems. Electrician, a person who fixes lights and electrical things. Doctor, a person who helps sick people get better. Nurse, a person who takes care of patients in a hospital. Teacher, a person who teaches students in school. Firefighter, a person who puts out fires and saves people. Chef, a person who cooks food in a restaurant. Farmer, a person who grows crops and raises animals. Driver, a person who drives cars, buses, or trucks. Pilot, a person who flies an airplane. Soldier, a person that protects the country. Dentist, a person who takes care of teeth. Barber, a person who cuts men's hair. Hairdresser, a person who styles and cuts hair.
Shopkeeper, a person who sells things in a shop.
Waiter, a person who serves food in a restaurant. Cleaner, a person who cleans homes or builds. Construction worker, a person who builds houses and roads. Security guard, a person who protects buildings and people. Baker, a person who makes breads and cakes.
Mechanic, a person that fixes cars. Musician, a person that plays musical instruments.